Hello friends, let's start lesson 2. Second lesson kanji. Okay. Hope you are learning lesson 1. In this lesson, we will learn busu, kanmuri, top. Means that busu comes in the top of the kanji. This called is kanmuri busu. Okay. This all are kanmuri busu. Ukanmuri, this is kusakanmuri, this is ukanmuri. Like this is hitokan muri, so it is called kusakan muri. Okay, kusakan muri. This is ukan muri and this is hitokan muri. We learn the kanji related to this busu in this lesson, and also the busu comes in the bottom part is called asibusu. Okay, we also learn some kanji related to this busu in this lesson. Okay, like this and urimas, this kanji, kai, this busu. So these are the lower part busu called asibusu. Okay, let's start. Today we will learn all these kanjis. This is ukanmuri busu, ukanmuri kanji, ukanmuri. This is also ukanmuri. Then in kusakanmuri we learn two kanjis. Then hitokanmuri, again we learn two kanjis. And then this is amekanmuri. Okay, amekanmuri. So we learn these two busu, and this is asibusu. Okay, let's start the lesson. This is ukanmuri, no katakana he type. Okay, so if you remember this way the kanji, it will very easy to remember. Main part is busu kanji we follow as we are in N4. There are so many methods to remember a kanji. Okay, meaning of the kanji: house, home, residence. My dear friends, please always try to know the meaning of the kanji because it helps you to uses of the kanji. Okay, so house, home, residence. Kunyomi, there is no kunyomi here, and onyomi is taku. Kakikata given over here. Okay, so you just follow this way. Okay, so this way it is writing. Please write 2-3 times like this. Okanmuri no hi taku. Okay, so it will, you can remember the kanji very easily. The stroke orders given over here, please follow the stroke orders. Jitaku, meaning is my house. Read once again, Jitaku, my house. So when you are practicing the kanji, you also practice the writing of the kanji. Jitaku, my house. Jitaku, my house. So you can remember the word. Kanji is not only a script, but also helping you lot to remember so many vocabulary. So kanji is very useful in Japanese language. Okay, say once again, Jitaku. Once more, Jitaku, meaning is my house. Ki khairimasu kanji we already learned. Ki taku. Ki is return, taku is house. So what should be the meaning? Return to home. This way you always try to get the meaning of the kanji words. Okay. Maximum it comes like this way. Kitaku. Say, read once again. Kitaku. Kitaku. Once more. Kitaku. Meaning is return to home. Khairimasu, return. Taku, house or home. Kitaku, return to home. Here also we learn again another kanji. It is ukanmuri, and this is a kanji itself. This kanji is, reading is kaku and meaning is each, every. You can learn it is as a new kanji, and you can learn also Okanmuri Kaku, meaning is guest and customer. Okay. Writing pattern given over here. Please follow this writing pattern and write kanji 2-3 times. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu. 9 strokes. Kakusu 9 strokes. Okay. Please write 2-3 times so you never forget the kanji. Okay. Kunyomi, there is no kunyomi, and onyomi is kyaku. Let's learn some word of this kanji. Jo kyaku. This kanji we did not learn still now. This is kyaku. Jo kyaku, passenger. Okay. Say once again. Jo kyaku. Jo kyaku. Once more. Jo kyaku, meaning is passenger. Say kan kyaku. Kan kyaku. Once again, kan kyaku, meaning is audience or spectator. Kyaku sitsu. Kyaku is customer and sitsu is room. So kyaku sitsu, it is meaning is guest room. Read kyaku sitsu. Kyaku sitsu. Once again, kyaku sitsu, meaning guest room. This is again Okanmuri, ichi, mu, chuchi. This is chuchi kanji we already learned in N5. Mu katakana mu, ichi, mu, chuchi. Okanmuri, ichi, mu, chuchi. Meaning of this kanji is room. Kunyomi, there is no kunyomi, and onyomi, sitsu. So kakikata, here it is given writing pattern. Please follow it. You can write 2-3 times like ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu. 9 strokes. Okay. Kakusu is 9. So this is also Okanmuri kanji. Sitsu. Now we learn a vocabulary kyakusitsu just now. So please remember this kanji. Write 2-3 times so you will remember this kanji. Next learn vocabulary of this kanji. Say kyositsu. We learned this kanji in N5 lesson. So kyositsu, meaning is classroom. Once again say kyositsu. Kyositsu. This is long pronunciation. Kyositsu, meaning is classroom. This is OCA kanji. We learn. So OCA kanji and sitsu, the room where we teach. It means classroom. Sitsu nai. Sitsu nai, indoor. Say once again. Sitsu nai. Sitsu nai. Once more. Sitsu nai, meaning indoor. Again this is Okanmuri kanji, ichi, and this is feather type of kanji. Okay. Meaning of this kanji is house. Kakikata written over here. How to write? It is written over here. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. Kakusu 10. We just write ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju. 10. Kakusu 10. Write 2-3 times you will remember this kanji. Ye. Kunyomi, ye, and ya. Onyomi, ka, and ke. Okay. Please write 2-3 times this kanji so you never forget. Let's learn some words. Read katei, katei. Once again, katei. Once more, katei. Meaning is home. Yeah, you know, we learn now the other reading of one of the reading of this kanji is yeah. This is chin. Yachin, house rent. Okay, say. Read once again. Yachin. Once more. Yachin, meaning is house rent. Still now we learn taku kanji, otaku kanji we learn. Then we learn kyaku kanji. Then we learn sitsu kanji. And then we learn Then we learn Ie kanji. Okay, so these 4 kanji based on Ukan Muri. Okay, this busu. Now we learn a new busu. This is called Kusakan Muri. Okay, meaning of this kanji is super and England. This kanji we can use for super and also for England. Okay. So, writing pattern given over here, please follow it. Ichi, ni, san, chi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi. Okay. 8 strokes are there. Kakusu is 8. Kunyomi, there is no kunyomi, and onyomi, ei. Okay. Please write 2-3 times this kanji and you will remember. Ei koku. This is kuni kanji. We will learn in later. आगे जाकर इसको पढ़ेंगे. Ei koku meaning is England. Ei koku meaning is England. Once again say ei koku. Ei koku meaning is England. Yes. You must say in katakana we write igirisu. No? We write igirisu, England in katakana. In hiragana it is eikoku and kanji it is eigo. Eigo. Once again, eigo. English language. Don't fear to look at this kanji. It is so complicated. How could we remember? There are so many strokes over here from here to here. Very easy. Meaning of this kanji is medicine. This kanji using for medicine. Kunyomi, kusuri, onyomi, yaku. This kanji it is kusakan muri again. No, ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, jusan, juyon, juko, juro. First divide this kanji. First is busu, it comes kusakan muri. If we take this kanji actually Tanoshi kanji. The below part of this is kusakan muri and this below part kanji is called Tanoshi kanji. So it is he kanji and ki kanji, you get it. No? So it will be easy to remember. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, jusan, juyon, jugo, juro. Yeah. Strokes are juroku, kakusu, sestive. Tanoshi means enjoyable. Enjoy. Okay. This kind. So kusakan muri, tanoshi, it became medicine, kusuri. Kunyomi, kusuri and onyomi yaku. So please write 2-3 times. It is very easy to write. It is not that much difficult. You know that kusakan muri, it's okay. Then no, he, chanchin, then ki. Because now we have allopathic, homeopathic, so many medicine. But before it will depend on naturopathy and Ayurvedic. So ki kanji is there. Okay. And most medicine sources we received from the he, sun. This is the way we can remember the kanji. Next, let's learn some vocabulary. Yakuhin, once again. Yakuhin, medicine, drugs and chemical. Yakkyoku. Yakkyoku. Once again, Yakkyoku, meaning is pharmacy. This is a new busu. Meaning of this kanji, meeting and association. This busu called Hitokan Muri. Okay, Hitokan Muri. Hitokan Muri ni mu. It is easy kanji, no? Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku. Okay. Kakusu 6 strokes. Kunyomi au, and onyomi, kai. So, meaning of this kanji is meeting and association. You can remember that I meet two people. Let's learn some words related to this kanji. This kanji is Hanashima's kanji. We learn in N5, so it is easy for you to read this word. Kaiwa. Once again, kaiwa. Once more, kaiwa, meaning conversation. Read this word. Say sakai. Sakai. Once again, sakai, meaning society. Tokai. Once again, Tokai, meaning big city. Another kanji we will learn, same Hitokan Muri and katakana Ra. No, it is easy. Meaning is now and present, kunyomi ima and onyomi kon. Kakikata yasashi desu ne. Ra, ichi, ni, san, shi. Ichi, ni, san, shi. 4 strokes. If you write 3-4 times like this, it is very easy for you to remember the kanji and you never forget it. Kotoshi. Kotoshi. Once again, kotoshi. Meaning is this year. This is ima kanji and this is nen kanji. So, reading is kotoshi. This is special reading. Okay. This year. Next. Kyo. 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 Meaning is today. Kyo meaning is today. Okay. This is hi kanji, this is ima kanji. So, day kanji. So, today. You get the meaning very easily if you understand the kanji meaning. This is morning kanji, asa kanji, and this is ima. So, kesa. This morning. Kesa. This morning. Kesa. Once again say kesa. Kesa. This busu called Amekan Muri. As it is upper busu, it is Kanmuri. We already know. And this is Ame kanji, no? We learn in N5. So, Amekan Muri. Okay. Amekan Muri busu and it is katakana yo. It is very easy to remember. Meaning of this kanji, snow, kunyomi yuki and onyomi setsu. Kakikata mentioned over here, please follow this order and write it. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. 11 strokes. Okay. Kakusu, ju, ichi. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi. Okay. Write 2-3 times like this. You never forget the kanji. Let's learn some words of this kanji. Hatsuyuki. Hatsuyuki. Once again, Hatsuyuki. Meaning is first snow of this season. This kanji is Hajime mas kanji. Meaning is first. Okay. आगे जाकर हम इसको पढ़ेंगे. We learn in later. First snow of this season. Okay. Hatsuyuki. This is Kuni kanji and this is Yuki. Snow kanji. So Yuki Guni meaning is snowy country. Say once again Yuki Guni. Read Yuki Guni meaning snowy country. A snowy country. Okay. This is Oki kanji. We learn in N5 and this is Yuki kanji. Learn now only we learn it. So O Yuki. Heavy snow. Okay. Jada snow. O Yuki. Say once again. O Yuki. O Yuki. Heavy snow. Again Amekan Muri. Ni mu. Busu. Meaning is cloud. Kunyomi kumo and onyomi un. Kakikata given over here. Don't fear if there are so many strokes because it is very easy. You already learn. Amekan Muri, this is Amekanji and this is Ni Mu. Ichi, Ni, San, Shi, Go, Roku, Shichi, Hachi, Kyu, ju, juichi, juni. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni. Kakushi is 12 strokes. Okay. Write 2-3 times. It is easy to remember the kanji. Okay. Meaning of this kanji is cloud, kumo. Please never forget this is yuki and kumo. This is yuki. When katakana yo will become, this is yuki. But this is kumo. Okay. This is ame kanji, ama, and this is kumo kanji. So ama gumo. Read once again. Ama gumo. Once again. Ama gumo. Meaning rain cloud. Kumo. Kumo. Once again. Kumo. Kumo meaning cloud. This is again Amekan Muri, and he like this. It is easy to remember. You can say also L, capital L, or like that. You can say. You can remember this way also. Okay. So meaning of this kanji is electricity. Kakikata given over here. Writing style given over here. And kunyomi, there is no kunyomi, and onyomi is then. So you can write this kanji. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, ju, san. 13 stroke. Okay. Ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi, hachi, kyu, ju, juichi, juni, ju, san. 13 strokes are there. Okay. Let's learn some word of this kanji. Denchi. Once again, say denchi. Denchi meaning is battery. Denki dai. Denki dai. Once again, denki dai meaning electricity bill. Next word, denwa. Once again, denwa. Once more, denwa meaning is telephone. This is Hanashima's kanji. So meaning of this kanji, sell, kunyomi oru, onyomi buy. Writing, it is very easy. This is not like chuchi kanji. Chuchi is like this. The lower one is bigger than the first one. This is bigger one, but here it is smaller one. So ichini, then kanmuri asibusu. Okay. So it is very easy to write. So ichi, ni, san, shi, go, roku, shichi. 7 strokes. Okay. Kunyomi uru, onyomi buy. Write so many times, so you never forget. Okay. Let's learn some words of this kanji. Read it. Uriba. Uriba. This kanji we learn later. This is ba kanji used for the place. Say Uriba, a sales counter. Okay. Say Uriba. Once again, Uriba, sales counter. Next word, baiten. A stand, a stall, or kiosk. Okay. Once again, baiten. Once more, baiten. A stand, a stall, or a kiosk. You can see the meaning of this word. There are some words I have written in kanji. Please write down in hiragana and meaning of these words. It will help you to understand, and it also increase your vocabulary store. Okay, you have vocabulary knowledge more. Please write it and practice it. Maximum words are given in this lesson only. Jitaku, Yachin, Denwadai, Yakuhin, Uriba, Sakai. No? Here also some words I have given in kanji. Please write in hiragana and meaning. Kesa, Shichinai, Hatsu, Yuki, Kankyaku, and Yakuhin, Eiko. Read these sentences. Sensei no otaku ni denwa wa kakemashita. Kyo wa yuki ga oi kara kurai desu. Ima kyoshichi de eigo no tepu o kiite imasu. Omocha no uriba ni Gemoko nao chukutta. Tenki yohoni yoruto. Amagumoga chika juite iru. Amagumoga chika juite iru. Ashita wa ameda. O yuki no tame gakko yasunda. Fuchu no yakkyoku de wa kono yakuhi no utte imasen. So you read 2-3 times, so it will be also help you to speed reading. It will help also in the JLPT. When you are reading Dokkai in JLPT, that time we have in N5, N4 it's okay. But N3 onwards we have kanji words more. Okay. So if you practice this reading of the sentences with kanji, it will help in Dokkai. In today's lesson, we learn Ukanmuri kanji, Kusakanmuri kanji, and Amekanmuri kanji, and Asikanmuri kanji. Ukanmuri we learn Otaku no Taku, Kyaku kanji, Shitsu kanji, Ie kanji. These 4 kanji in Ukanmuri we learn. In Kusakanmuri we learn Kusuri kanji and Ei kanji. In Amekanmuri we learn Yuki kanji, Kumo kanji and Electric kanji. Then sano, then wano, then. Okay. Here also we forgot one thing. In this lesson also we learn another busu, that is Hitokanmuri. In Hitokanmuri we learn kanji Aimasu kanji and Ima kanji, now. In Asikanmuri we learn Uriba kanji. Dear friends, I given so many kanji in a lesson, but don't learn all kanji at a time. If you don't have that much time and if you cannot spend that much time to learn the kanjis, so please don't learn at a time. Learn 2-3 kanjis, or maybe learn as a busu wise this much. Okay, as a busu wise kanji you just learn, so it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, if you have time you learn whole. If you don't have time, so break it and learn as per your time suitable, as per your suitability. Okay, so today's class is this much. Let's meet in next class with a new lesson. Till that time, stay healthy, stay safely. Thank you so much. Sayonara.